financial market are divided into two parts. So that is your money market and capital market. And what are the bases and differences in money market and capital market? Okay, so this money market. So now financial system in India, financial market, some participants are there, some players are there, and there are some products. Okay, what can be that product, guys? What can be that product? Shares, bond, debentures, these are the products, and instrument, we used to call that instrument also, or product also, what we will buy and sell, right? So financial market are divided into two parts. First of all, we will see the money market and then capital market. So what are the basis? Tenure of investment. If say suppose you are investing in money market, so that is for the short term duration. Anybody can tell me? Short term? Within 1 year. So from 1 day to 1 year. Okay, from 1 day to 1 year, that is short term. Then long term is more than a year. Okay, now participants, as I told you, in this money market there will be participant. Who will be the participant, guys? There will be in money market, mainly in money market, that is the secured market. That's why more government, banks, institutional investors are participants in the money market. Okay, so for the short term gain, within 1 year gain, you can invest in money market, and these are the secure investment. Why? Because government, banks, institutional investors are involved in the money market. Okay, and here in capital market, both institutional and retail investor means you and me, like people. So individuals are there in retail market, HNIs, individuals. Okay, then how much risk is involved in money market and capital market? So risk is the very, very important thing. Mainly government, banks and institutional investors are there. So tell me whether the risk will be high or less? Less. Okay, so in money market risk is less, but in capital market risk is high. And रिस्क है तो इश्क है, सुना है, देखा है आपने स्कैम 1992? नो वन हैड सीन दैट? हर्षद मेहता का रिस्क है तो इश्क है. So the one who are having the capacity to take risk in the capital market, they should go to the capital market and do the investment, because the gain is too much but risk is also there. Okay, but these money market are the secured market because government and banks are involved in that. Then return on investment, in the money market it is generally low, and in capital market it is high. As you are taking the risk, you are investing in any companies, you are taking a risk whether this company is doing good or not in future, how it will do. You are investing in that company. So if the company will go up, your share price will go up. If company is doing good, you will get good returns. But if company is not doing good, then you will make the losses in that. That's why this is very, very risky. But return is high in that. Okay. What kind of instruments we are playing in for this money market? Commercial paper, certificate of deposit, treasury bills. These all things are we are going to see in detail. Then capital market instruments or product. These are the product or instrument. Then what is IPO, guys? What is an IPO? As I told you, when a company first time going to issue their share to the public, first time, it can be a private company. Then when we are thinking to go in IPOs, first of all, we have to change it, convert it into public company. Okay, any private company can do the IPO, but first of all, conversion into the public company, right? Then this public company will issue the shares to the investor first time. Okay, so an IPO or initial public offering is the moment when a private company sells its share to the public for the first time, effectively transitioning into a public traded company. Why do companies go for public? To raise capital. They need funds, so they raise capital through their shares. Then liquidity for the early investors and enhanced credibility and visibility. A private company from Mysore, who is aware about that? How much good they are doing, how much profit they are making, anybody is knowing about that? Anybody will buy the shares of that company. Say suppose the margin is more than 60%, then also will you buy the shares of that company? Can an investor get a trust on that company? When it will be listed, when it is open for everyone, then you can invest in that. You can buy and sell the shares of that company. For that, you have to come in the market. People should know about you, how much good you are doing. If you are not in market, nobody will know you, right? So that is the way they are making their name also through IPOs and all. And then we'll get to know about the company, right? So then anybody can invest in that, okay? Now in capital market, there are securities market. What is security market? Security, share debenture, bonds. So securities market is a place where companies raise funds by issuing securities to investor. Who are issuing securities, guys? Who are issuing securities? Companies. Companies are issuing securities or their shares. To whom? To the investors. So who will be there? Companies and investor will be there. So now investor will give you fund and company will give you securities. Okay. So if you are investing in a company, what you will get in return? You will get the shares. What you will do with that shares? What you will do with that share? Share price. You will keep that share. If it is increasing, you are making a good return or profit. Okay. So company will give you shares and you will invest the fund in that. Okay. These all things are there in your book. We can see in detail. Then it is the part of capital market. Securities market is the part of capital market where investor can buy or sell the securities. Now segment of securities market, guys. So what we had seen, financial market we had seen. In financial market, what we had seen, money market and capital market. And securities market will come under capital market. Then securities markets are having segment, that is primary market and secondary market. Primary market and secondary market. Okay. So what we do in primary market and what we do in secondary market, let's see. So this primary market, guys, it deals with the new instrument. New instrument, yes, Aditya, what is the instrument? What will comes under instrument and what is the other word I told? Products. So what will cover under that? Instruments. In securities market, yes, stock, share, bond, debentures. Okay, that are the instrument. Am I going fast? नहीं चल रहा है सही? You are somewhere? No, ठीक है. Yes, so these instrument, guys, primary market, what is primary and difference in secondary market? In primary market, it deals with new instrument, new, first time we are bringing that, okay, and issued by a corporate or any company and government. When any company bringing their shares first time in the market, so that we dealt in primary market, okay, and it facilitate the flow of funds from investors to business for productive purposes. So here the company will issue the shares, issue of shares first time, okay, issue of share first time. So investor will flow the funds and it will go to whom? It will go to companies as a capital. In IPO, I will tell you in detail, the further slide is there. So here you just get to know that in primary market, what happened there? IPOs, QIPs, qualified institutional placement, and FPO. FPO is further public offer or follow-on public offer. So IPO is the initial public offer. Okay. So the company is first time giving the new shares to the investor, and investors are giving fund to companies, and that fund is the capital for the company. And primary market provides new securities for the secondary market. How it is? They are issuing new securities. Now these securities are going to the investor. Now you are having, say suppose you are investing in some companies securities, you are giving the fund and you are getting securities. Now where you will buy and sell these securities? It will direct, you will apply to the company and you will directly get it to you. Now where you will buy and sell? For that, primary market or secondary market? Then you have to move to secondary market. Okay, so secondary market is, it is for the trading and settling already issued securities. Already issued securities. So secondary market is for the, it is a platform to, already we had issued the securities. Now we will do the buying and selling. Say suppose you got that, you had applied and you got the security of a ABC Limited. Now you had kept it for 1 year. Now you wanted to sell it. So where you will go? You will go to the secondary market. Okay. Are you getting this difference? This is very, very important. So primary market is what? Where a company will first time issue the shares through IPOs to the public, and public will invest money. So it will be directly allotted to investor or any person who is subscribing the share of that company. Okay, direct application. It will be directly in between the person who are taking the shares, who are the investing the money. Then already these shares are issued to the public. Now where they will sell and buy to other person. So then we have to move to the secondary market. Okay, so investors can buy or sell securities through registered broker. As I said, intermediaries